What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for watching and supporting. We've got a great video for you guys today. We're gonna go over how you can get guaranteed pay as an Uber and Lyft driver. Before we jump into this, we just wanted to give a quick shout out to Play Octopus. Play Octopus is probably one of the best services out there for Uber and Lyft drivers. They send you a free tablet, you attach it to your headrest, and then your passengers can play games. And the best part is, you make money if they're using those games. On top of that, Play Octopus drivers have higher overall driver ratings, and they have increased tips, just for offering that better experience. It's a free tablet. You're not paying for the data or anything else. So check that out, guys. Start making more money using that. It is linked in the description below. Alrighty, so we've got an awesome video today. Guaranteed pay, something drivers have gone on strike before over, essentially saying they want to be employees. This is obviously much different, but how you can get this is through a new app called Solo. Solo is for essentially any gig economy worker, but obviously it's most effective for Uber and Lyft drivers. Now, how it works is when you are a solo driver, you can get access to guaranteed pay based on, the average earnings essentially in your area. So what they do is they have driver data from drivers in your area, and they see what those averages should look like, so you can see how much you can get guaranteed for that day. Pretty awesome thing. So I think what's awesome about it more than anything is, I know in the past, one of my biggest frustrations with Uber and Lyft driving is sometimes, I went out with a plan, like I want to make 100 to 150 bucks today. And then what would happen is it would be incredibly slow, or maybe I just had bad luck, especially if it was a weekday, and I wouldn't make the money I needed to make. And this was always a problem, especially if you were a full-time driver. It's one thing if you're just doing this on the side, and it's kind of like, well, whatever you make that week is whatever you make in 15, 20 hours. But if you're a full-time driver, this can be a problem because you're depending on this income for more than just savings or, covering the additional utility bill or whatever else you might do part-time Uber and Lyft driving for. So in this case, if you're a full-time driver, you're depending on this income. You have numbers you have to hit every week, otherwise you might be late on bills or, God forbid, rent or your mortgage. But now you can really map this out a lot better and get really predictable on what you should make. Because if you need to make X amount of money and you're driving the hours to hit it, but you're not really getting the rides you need to get, or whatever the issue is, now there's that guarantee in place so that if you don't make that amount that you should have made, they're gonna cover the difference for you. So it's a pretty phenomenal service. Another cool promotion they're doing just with us is if you sign up for Solo using our link, you can get 10 bucks just for signing up. It's free all across the nation, so you can sign up, get your $10, and look into that. On top of that, though, it also has tracking and expenses. So I know a lot of you guys have used a lot of different services and apps for that. Well, now you can just do it all in one place. Definitely an awesome app. So far, I would say this is one of my favorites that I've ever seen from another company that pairs with it. Obviously, I love Play Octopus, as I mentioned in the beginning, but this is also an incredible service, and I think just by combining those two things, you can significantly increase how much money you make. They say the average driver makes at least $5,000 more per year. And if you go to their website, they have a tool where you can plug in your city, what gig economy work you do, so Uber and Lyft, etc. And then if you do or don't track your expenses, and it's gonna show you how much more you can make a month just by using Solo. So get on that, guys. Link in the description below. You'll get 10 bucks, like I said, just for signing up for free. And on top of that, it's gonna ease your whole experience of driving by getting you that guaranteed pay. So check that out, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. You'll definitely make more money if you take these tips. Also check out Play Octopus. Both will be linked in the description below, and stay tuned for more updates.